Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a traditional sewing. I have not did a traditional sewing in like 6 years, and I think this is my last time I'm going to be doing a traditional sewing. So this is the first and last time you will see this kind of video on my channel. So today I'm going to just show you exactly, my sister actually helped me to put this in my hair because child, I probably forgot how to do this, and I feel like the video after this will be me removing it, me taking it out. I mean, it's really pretty and everything like that, but just my hair texture, you know, my hair texture, I'm sweating and then it's getting poofy, but the install itself is really pretty. Today's video is a collaboration with Sunber Hair. So Sunber Hair did send me 3 bundles of 24 inches, so that's the bundles that I used today. The bundles are super pretty. I had this hair installed for about 3 days now, and it's not shedding or anything like that. It's super pretty and it's full. So if you're interested in like this type of style, or traditional sewings and stuff is your vibe, I definitely recommend that you guys try out this hair. This is how the ends look. It's just like super nice and natural. I don't know, I really like it, but it's just my natural hair is not blending properly, and I am sick and tired of applying too much heat to my hair. So if you guys want to see how my sister and me sewed this down, stay tuned to this video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off by showing you the hair. I did go ahead and shampoo and condition this hair. I just air dried it, so that's why it's hanging up on that thing. I'm going to part out the section that I want to be my leave out. I'm doing a middle part, so I'm sectioning the middle area out first. I haven't did this in a long time, so please bear with me, and I'm just going to braid this out of the way so I have a clean canvas and I can see exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna part out the little sides of my hairline so I could have something to cover the tracks on the sides. I did the same exact thing to the other side, so I just sped this part up. And once I did that, I'm going to go ahead and take out some of the hair behind my head. This is optional. I feel like I should not have done this because 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to put my hair up, but I'm just going to braid that out of the way as well. And the braid pattern that I'm doing today is pretty simple. It's just straight backs, but I'm doing it from the side of my anchor braid. I hope that makes sense, but you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. So literally that's all I'm doing, and I'm just going to connect the braid to the other one and do that all the way around. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Everybody could do this. And one tip I have, if you're doing cornrows, make sure that you're holding the hair as close as possible to each other so it helps your braid to be sturdy and not too loose. One wish, one wish, one wish, one wish. Okay, and now I'm all done. I'm showing you the products that I'm using. I'm using nylon thread, and I don't even know if I like this thread, but that's what I'm using today. And the first track I'm doing is right behind my hair, and I should have doubled the tracks, but I single wefted it, and this was so difficult. I have not done a sew-in for myself in a very long time, so it was starting to frustrate me, and the nylon thread was starting to tie up on itself. I don't know, I don't feel like this is real nylon thread. I bought it on Amazon, literally. So my sister actually came home and offered to help me, so this is her doing it, and we were really struggling trying to sew this in. And I don't know, but you can tell like the braids are looking good, everything, the hair is cooperating. It's just like sewing is basically making a whole wig on your head when I could just have a wig. But yeah, so I'm just going ahead and finishing the top of my hair. I did finish the top of my hair by myself, and I braided this so tight I couldn't even sleep. No, I mean I was sewing it so tight I couldn't even sleep. But yeah, I'm just taking my time and sewing that all the way around in a U shape, and then I'm gonna come back. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the right here, you can see I'm taking the tracks and I'm putting it straight down in a line because I'm going to be doing 2 lines on both sides of my head to complete the sew-in. And that's basically just going to seal it off and everything, but I'm making sure that I'm sewing this as close as possible to the base of the braid, like at the front, and you can see how seamless that looks. Now I'm going in with Olaplex Bonding Oil number 7, and I'm just going to put that all over the hair. This just helps the hair to be nice and silky smooth, but you can see it's already silky smooth because I made sure that I washed it and everything. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm going to put that out of the way so I can focus on my leave out. I'm using my Red Pro Titanium 460 flat iron, and I'm going to put a little bit more of this oil on my natural hair. And then I did spray some heat protectant, Beyond the Zone heat protectant. And then I'm going in one pass only to straighten this. And I only do one pass. My hair is natural, so because it's hot outside and it's hot in general, my hair does poof up. So this hairstyle is more for the winter time, but I still wanted to show you guys a demo on how I just like straighten everything and complete the hairstyle. I'm gonna go ahead and take out my perimeter braids and prep it to flat iron. I'm gonna be using a smaller flat iron to get the roots, so you can see me applying the heat protectant here. And then I'm going to use this pencil flat iron. It's actually a 3/4 flat iron that I got from Amazon, and I'm just using this to do my roots.
Drop the roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stood up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stood up till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my age, it's in action. These days, no MIA. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this that shit ain't all bad. Got it, blood and murder. There ain't no second chances. It's fuck. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned.
This is how my hair looks when it's freshly flat ironed and everything. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely natural. But then literally a day later, it's all poofy and stuff. So good thing I got this footage for you guys, because when I did the intro, my roots were turning back and I was not about to flat iron it again and damage my hair. But I'm using some wax sticks just to sleek back my hair and make sure that it stays down for a good amount of time, which will probably be like 2 hours or so. And I'm just smoothing it down, and yeah. I did not style the hair this day. I just like flat ironed my natural hair to make it blend. But this is basically how it looks when you do your hair and stuff. I was attempting to like take out some baby hairs, but what baby hairs? Child, anyways, yeah. So then I decided, since it's 24 inches all the way around, I'm going to do some layers so that my natural hair can blend in with it a little bit better. So I'm using a razor comb to kind of give it that layered look. And I think it really came out pretty. I actually liked it. So yeah, this is how it looks. If you want to achieve a style like this, you could also go in with like a 16-inch at the top, and it will give you a layered look, like 16, 18, 24, or 20. And that will give you that layered look that you're going for. But I just have 24 inches all around, so I just went ahead and used the razor comb to give me some, you know, face framing shape. And this is how the hair looks. This is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks so natural and so pretty. I hope my fan is not bothersome, but this is my hair. Like 2 days later, I'm gonna try to fix it, but I'm so annoyed because this morning I woke up and I flat ironed it and everything, and because it's so hot, this is how it's looking. Literally, traditional sewings are not for me, but this has been my struggle. So I'm just gonna flat iron it again a little bit and then curl it, and that's gonna be it for this video. So I just wanted to show you guys the reality, okay? Alright, you guys, so I literally just told you how the hair looks, and this is what I'm dealing with. I did go back and pass my flat iron over it, and I absolutely hate myself for this, and I hope I did not get heat damage because I'm gonna be so pissed off. But I decided to give it some curls because curls always disguise a mess. So I'm curling it going forward all around my face, and I love the way that this turned out. You guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video. Let me know if you like traditional sew-ins. I don't think it's my thing, but it was nice to try it again after such a long time. But I don't think it's my thing. I think I'm just gonna stick to wigs. That's really my thing, because I could just take it off at night and be comfortable and all of that, and I don't have to damage my natural hair. So it was nice trying this out, but you can see my roots are sweating out, and I actually flat iron my roots this morning, and it's already like, you could see me sweating. It's already like poofy. So the install and hair itself is really good. So if you're interested, I will link it down below. But this is not for me, girl. If it's for you, just thumbs up the video, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you feel like I should have did differently. But I literally had this installed, and every single time I have to flat iron my hair. So yeah. Alright, you guys, thank you for checking out this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.